Hello! Thought I'd give it a quick review of a piece of kit I always have with me. It's the Bushcraft Essentials Wood Burning Stove XL. Great, versatile piece of kit. Comes in a flat packed carry pouch, very sturdy. One piece, two trestles, and to erect, just open it, down the ash pan, weighs just around about 800 grams, so it's not the lightest, but at the same time the form factor is good, in so much as slide it down the side of your rucksack, and little grill on top. Then there's numerous, sturdy enough for a reasonable size frying pan. Opening here, put your twigs, your supply, your wood in. You can also put a little meth burner in there as well. Configuration wise, your hands do get very dirty after messing about with it for a while. These can come out, they can go into different various configurations. You can put in for lifting, you can put them in, set the wee meth burner on top, or just use the wood, what it was designed for. As I primarily use it for is just the wood. Now I'll start it up shortly and I'll cook up some bits and pieces, but we'll see how that goes. Who's going to be good? After you anyway. Have you done the biz? Have you done the bizzo? Let's have a look. That looks good. Nice one. Well done, girls.